Women's Day in Cameroon is not just a day that the women come out, but it's a day that the whole country can see that women are valued. On the 8th of March in Cameroon, it's a standstill day for all the women. It's respect for the women, it's in praise of the women, it's celebrating what women are, what women do, and what they've contributed to the nation, locally and nationally. The day starts from the week before. Women are doing so many different activities. They are going to hospitals, they are cooking food to take to prison, they're going to charity, to orphanages, cooking food, sharing, cleaning the town, the village, the city, and just galvanizing. And each region takes the theme of International Women's Day and tries to interpret that theme in the way that will suit them. Women start buying a special fabric that has been decided on by the Ministry of Women's Affairs and the Family. Sometimes it comes in 3 different colors, and women can choose what color. Mothers buy for daughters, and husbands buy for wives. And on that day, you can see women in all their glory. They sew all kinds of styles, headscarves. They come out in their beauty in all dimensions. And women are in groups. In Cameroon, there's something we call meeting groups. It's almost like social network. You will see banners where some are written gentle sisters, beautiful ladies, or widows. Togetherness is one of the things that is highlighted in International Women's Day in Cameroon. Solidarity. And in all the towns and cities and villages, women come out to march, to rejoice, to celebrate, to show off. All ages, all sizes, all professions, International Women's Day in Cameroon is a very special day.